Remember the first iPhone? It was a game changer, not just for phones, but for photography too. That first model had a single, basic 2-megapixel camera. Photos were tiny, often grainy and blurry, but it sparked a revolution. Suddenly everyone had a camera in their pocket, ready to capture life's moments, no matter how imperfect the results. Fast forward to today, and phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Pixel 10 Pro are professional-grade cameras you can carry everywhere. They're packed with technology that rivals dedicated cameras, making it easier than ever to take incredible photos. Multiple lenses, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, let you capture everything from sweeping landscapes to distant details. You can switch between them instantly, giving you creative freedom right at your fingertips. Camera sensors have leapt from just 2 to over 50 megapixels, so your photos are now sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. Even tiny textures and subtle colors are captured with stunning clarity. But the real leap is in software. AI now analyzes every scene, brightens dark shots, balances colors, and creates beautiful background blur automatically. It's like having a professional editor built into your phone. Thanks to computational photography, your phone does the hard work for you. You can focus on the moment, knowing your photos will look amazing, even in tricky lighting. With all these features, camera apps have become more complex and powerful. But don't worry, you only need to learn a few key controls to unlock their full potential and start taking photos you love. It's normal to feel a bit overwhelmed at first, especially with so many new options and settings. That's why this guide is here, to walk you through the new layouts and features, step by step, so you can feel confident every time you open your camera app. Get ready to move from simple snapshots to stunning photos you'll be proud to share with friends and family. Your journey from pixels to powerhouses starts now. The iPhone 17's camera app has been completely redesigned, making it cleaner, more intuitive, and easier to use than ever before. Now you'll notice just 2 main buttons at the heart of the interface, photo and video, so you can instantly choose your shooting mode without any confusion. Tap the photo button, and a handy pop-up menu appears, giving you quick access to essential controls like exposure, aspect ratio, flash, timer, and filters, all right at your fingertips. Switch over to video mode, and you'll see dedicated controls for resolution and frame rate. You can easily select 4K for the highest quality, or 60 FPS for super smooth action shots, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving moments. The new design keeps photo and video settings completely separate, so you never get lost in endless menus or accidentally change the wrong setting. Looking for creative modes like portrait, time-lapse, or even slow-mo? Just swipe left or right on the photo or video button to reveal all the available shooting modes, making it effortless to experiment with different styles. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the familiar 0.5x, 1x, and 5x options. Simply tap to instantly switch between the ultra-wide, main, and telephoto lenses for the perfect shot. Every feature is just a tap or swipe away, so you can focus on capturing the moment instead of fumbling with settings. No more hunting for hidden features or digging through complicated menus. The new layout puts everything you need front and center. The streamlined design is built to help you shoot faster, smarter, and with more confidence, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Master these basics, and you'll be ready to capture any moment, anytime, with ease and creativity. The iPhone 17 introduces the all-new camera control button, a dedicated physical button designed specifically for photographers and creators who want more control at their fingertips. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how you capture moments. With a gentle press, you can lock focus and exposure, ensuring your shot is perfectly set up. Press down fully, and you'll snap a photo instantly, just like using a professional camera shutter. Slide your finger along the button to zoom smoothly in or out, giving you precise control over your composition. Or double press the button for quick access to your favorite camera settings, so you never miss a moment. You can even customize what the button does in settings, tailoring it to match your unique shooting style, whether you're a casual snapper or a seasoned pro. But that's not all. AirPods now double as a remote shutter. Just pinch the stem to take a photo or start recording video from a distance, making group shots and creative angles easier than ever. AirPods also work as wireless microphones, capturing your voice clearly even if your phone is across the room. This is perfect for vlogging, interviews or recording on the go. Setup is effortless, just connect your AirPods, and the camera app instantly recognizes them, so you're ready to shoot in seconds. Together, these features transform your iPhone and AirPods into a powerful, portable creative kit that fits in your pocket. Capture group selfies, record vlogs, or conduct interviews with ease, unlocking new creative possibilities wherever you go. The Pixel 10 Pro's camera app keeps everything you need right on the main screen. Swipe the bottom carousel to switch between photo, portrait, and video modes. Tap the manual controls icon for sliders to adjust exposure, focus, and shutter speed. The settings menu splits into General for basics, like timer and flash, and Pro for RAW, high-res, and lens selection. Tap the three-dot icon for special features like night sky mode, color enhancement, and a dirty lens warning. Unsure about a feature? Tap the question mark for instant tutorials and pop-up guides. The Pixel's interface is beginner-friendly but powerful for enthusiasts. Everything is designed to help you shoot smarter, not harder. The Pixel 10 Pro's Gemini AI powers Camera Coach, a real-time guide for better photos. As you frame your shot, it suggests tips like using the rule of thirds or straightening the horizon. Subtle overlays help you learn composition as you shoot, making every photo better. Add, Me solves the classic group photo problem. Take one shot without you, then another with you, and the AI merges them seamlessly. No more racing the timer, just natural, perfect group shots every time. The software handles tricky backgrounds and lighting for a flawless result. These features make the Pixel a smart teacher and a practical tool. You'll capture memories and be in them too. AI isn't just for automation, it's your creative partner. Specialized modes can transform your photos, if you know when to use them. Macro mode, look for the flower icon, is for extreme close-ups, capture the details of petals, leaves, or water droplets. Portrait mode creates beautiful background blur, perfect for people, pets, or any subject you want to stand out. Night mode, or night sight, combines multiple exposures for bright, clear, low-light shots, cityscapes, campfires, or candlelit dinners. For stars, use night sky mode with a tripod in a dark location. Capture the Milky Way and constellations in stunning detail. Hold steady for best results, especially in low light. Each mode is a creative tool. Experiment to see what works best. Your phone can reveal worlds you never noticed before. Great photos aren't about having the newest phone, they're about using a few timeless tricks. Light is everything. Shoot during golden hour or near a window for soft, flattering light. Always clean your lens. A quick wipe makes a huge difference in sharpness. Use the rule of thirds. Enable the grid and place your subject off-center for a more dynamic shot. Try new angles. Get low, go high, or move around for fresh perspectives. Don't be afraid to experiment with settings and modes. The more you shoot, the better you'll get. Photography is about discovery. Capture the world your way. With the camera in your pocket, you're ready for anything. So get out there and start creating memories.